प्यार को सिमरिए, मिट जाए सभी कलेश, विघ्न विनाशन विघ्न हरत, गणपति श्री गणेश। भगवती संग पूजिए, श्री ब्रह्मा विष्णु महेश, गुरुदासों का दास हूँ, मोरे अंग संग रहो हमेश। सरस्वती स्वर दीजिए और स्वर के साथ ज्ञान, मैं बेसुर बेताल हूँ, मैया आप करो कल्याण, मैया जी मोरी आप करो कल्याण। Hello ladies and gentlemen, a very warm welcome to this live streaming of mine. And in this live streaming, I'm just going to talk about the US markets, the Nasdaq, the Dow Jones, the S&P 500, gold, silver, crude, and the Bitcoin. Yes, I'm going to talk about all these instruments, and if you all have any questions regarding these indices or these commodities or any other instrument, please, you are welcome to ask me. Yes, you are most welcome to ask me about all these things, all these commodities, all the commodities or the indices which I have just spoken about, the Nasdaq, the Dow Jones, the S&P 500. Yes. So let me start predicting about the S&P 500 first. So y'all are all of y'all are most welcome to throw your questions at me regarding all these indices, the commodities which I have just spoken about and which have been mentioned on my thumbnail as well. So now let me first start with S&P 500 today. See, I am bullish on the S&P 500 today. And if you get a dip towards 6424 today, S&P 500, then you can buy that dip, and from there the S&P 500 can rebound. It can start going up from that level of 6426. S&P 500. You can buy S&P 500 today at a level of 6426. Yes, that is the level at which you should buy the S&P 500 today. So I am bullish on the S&P 500. Yesterday the markets fell, the S&P fell, and it went below 6400 as well. In fact, it went much lower than that. So S&P 500, I am bullish on S&P 500, and most likely the S&P 500 is going to close in the green today. They are going to close positive today. The next index which I want to speak about, which I want to predict. See, these predictions of mine are based on astrology and numerology. Yes, these predictions of mine are based on astrology and numerology. So, if you want to know about, the future of an index or a stock or gold, silver or Bitcoin, then this is the channel for you. I will be coming here and giving you all predictions regarding astro and numerological predictions about all these instruments, the index, gold, silver, Bitcoin, then the US Tech 100, Nasdaq. Yes, I'm going to predict about all these indices. So my first prediction is for today is that if S&P falls to a level of 6426, you can buy there. The second index which I want to speak about is Nasdaq 100 futures. Yes, Nasdaq 100 September futures. Currently trading at 23,451. 23,451. So if you get a dip towards 23,400, you should buy there. You should buy there. 23,400, you should buy the Nasdaq futures. 23,400 would be the level at which you can buy Nasdaq 100 futures, the September 2025 futures. And if the US Tech 100 falls to a level of around 23,371, you can buy there. So basically, I am bullish from these levels. The levels which I am speaking to y'all means I am telling y'all I am bullish from these levels. So any dip towards these levels would be a buying opportunity for y'all. So I expect the US markets to close positive today. Yes, in the green today. And regarding crude, I want to tell y'all that today is a negative day. As y'all can see, crude oil WTI is trading at a level of $63.94, a cut of almost 2.5%. A cut of almost 2.5%. So crude oil WTI can fall to a level of, say, around 63.66 easily today. 63.66 today. $63.66. So that is my astrological and numerological prediction about the crude today. So I have given you all predictions, and regarding BTC, I want to tell you all that any dip towards, let me just check. Any dip towards BTC USD is currently trading at 970 now. 111,970. So any dip towards 11,440 you should buy that dip. Today BTC Bitcoin opened at a level of 111,300. 111,300 the Bitcoin opened. So any dip towards 111,440 should be bought. So this is my prediction regarding Bitcoin. I've already spoken about S&P 500. I've already spoken about US Tech 100, Nasdaq, and I've already spoken about crude. So today crude can fall to a level of, crude oil WTI can fall to a level of 63.66. Yes. So if you all also want daily predictions about gold, silver, S&P 500, or any stocks for that matter, or any American stocks, Nasdaq futures, US Tech 100, S&P 500, you're most welcome to contact me. My charges for giving you all WhatsApp predictions regarding all these indices, all these instruments, all these commodities is $99, $98 weekly. Yes, $98 weekly. You just need to pay $98 and that would be, I will be taking care about predicting about the US markets for y'all. Yes, I'll be predicting about US markets for y'all on a daily basis, on a regular basis. But these charges are for just 5 days. You can start on any day of the week and I'll be giving you all predictions regarding all these instruments. Or if you have any other stock or something to ask me, you're most welcome to ask me about American stocks, gold, silver, anything. So right now I want to tell you all that there is a strong possibility of S&P 500, US Tech 100, Nasdaq falling to the levels which I have just spoken about. So this is basically my predictions. If you have any questions regarding the American markets or gold and silver, y'all are most welcome to ask me. But this particular program is only in English and for only English viewers. So please please ask your questions in English only. This is only in English, so please ask your questions only in English. So my first question, Mr. Dinesh has asked, gold in dollar terms downside this weekend. See, gold can fall from a level of around, say, 3589. Dinesh ji, gold can fall from a level of 3589. So it could be tomorrow also. Gold can touch a level of 3589, or it can somewhere between 3589 and 3607. 3607. So next question, I've already answered your question, Dinesh ji. I will be only taking questions in English. So please please ask me in English and I'll be answering in English only. And this is about the American markets and not about the Indian markets. For Indian markets, you'll have to join me tomorrow at 12 noon. Yes, that is my time with you all regarding Nifty, Bank Nifty and the Indian markets. So this program is only for the American markets. So anybody who's interested in the American markets, they are most welcome to join this live streaming of mine. Yes. So next question is CFC TZ. What will be the impact on 7th and 8th September lunar eclipse? Emotionally, yes. Emotionally, people are gonna get affected at this point in time. Yes, emotionally. That would be the effect of lunar eclipse. This is just a general prediction of mine. Usually on a lunar eclipse, people get affected emotionally at that point in time. Basically, you need to control your emotions and make sure that you don't indulge in any sort of argument with anyone. Try to keep things, try not to get into any sort of argument with anyone, and remain quiet as much as possible during that day. So I don't think so I have any other questions in English today. So I have predicted about the American markets today, and basically this evening program is for the American markets. So only those people who are interested in gold, silver, the American markets, and you need to keep your questions, you need to ask your questions in English only. So that is what my predictions are. Silver today downside. Prakash Kothari ji, silver today downside. Somewhere between $40.88. Somewhere between $40.88 and $40.95. So by the end of today, by 12 o'clock in the night, I think there should the silver should cool off. Yes, XAG USD should cool off, and the levels which I have spoken about. Yes, definitely, Aashish Soniji. Yes, definitely. Not much, but I'm bullish on silver and gold until the 5th of September 2025. So that is my prediction. So I am basically bullish on gold and silver until the 5th of September 2025. So that is my prediction. So I have given you all my levels for today until 12 o'clock. Until my predictions are valid till 12 o'clock tonight. Yes, until 12 o'clock tonight. My predictions, my astro predictions, my numerological predictions are valid till 12 o'clock tonight. So, best of luck to y'all, and we will meet tomorrow again, and I'll try to predict about the American markets tomorrow once again. Thank you for watching. God bless you all. Jai Mata Di. Jai Ma Kali.